Okay, now tell us, is early nice? Yes, well, since you are Early's new best friend, we would love to give you a very special treat, and that is a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. Alright, so Hannah, are you excited for the kiss? Yes, how about you, Early? Are you excited to kiss her? Okay, that is very excited. So Hannah, all you have to do is to offer your cheek, and he will give you a very gentle kiss. So ready? Okay, now offer your cheek. Look at the camera and smile. Wow, that was a juicy one. Great job, Early. Alright, so Ma'am Hannah, how's the kiss? Nagustuhan niyo po ba? Yeah, so if you're going to rate Early's kiss on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best kiss you've ever had, what would it be? Wow, perfect score. Great job, boy. So, Ma'am Hannah, are you saying that Early's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss? Yes. Wait, is your special someone around? Nandito ba si Sir? Wala. But you know what? Early here has a message for you. Was that Early? Hey, what does it mean? Oh, Bella down! He's better than your special someone. Well, of course, we're only kidding. Folks, have a big hand for a lucky guess. Thank you so much, Ma'am Hannah. And you're early. Can now go back to Officer. Okay, so now moving on. To stay in shape, the Marine Patrol likes to compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility, and that is the Sea Lion Peak Challenge. So again, I'll be needing another volunteer from the audience who'd like to compete with our current champion Early. This time I need an adult male. Anyone? Please raise your hands, adult male. Ayun, may nagtataas ng kamay doon. We're going down here. Okay, so folks, I want a big hand for a great volunteer. Hi, sir. Welcome to the show. So tell us what's your name? Mark. Sir Mark. Are you ready to show us how hard body you are? Ready ka na ba? Wait, do you know what you volunteered for? Wala? Okay, then sir, come with me on the stage and I'll explain to you everything. Sweet eye, Sir Mark. Okay, by the way, sir, where are you from? From Bulacan. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, once again, the current champion of the Lion Pit Challenge, here comes Early. And here comes our challenger. Alright, so Sir Mark, now that we're here, let's begin with a friendly handshake with the champion. So let's move closer. Grab his slipper just like that and shake it. Yeah, just like that. Early, so shake it. Okay, now Mark, is that right here? Okay, now folks, this is how it works. Early and Sir Mark are going to compete in a series of tests to see who will be the next winner of the Sea Lion Peak Challenge. So the basic rule is whatever Early does, Sir Mark, you have to do it as well. Ano gagawin Early, gagawin mo din? Opo, okay lang ba, sir? Okay, now let's ask Early. Hey, Early, are you ready? Not yet. Officer Good, I think you need some warm-up. Stretching. Alright, how about a flipper massage? Massage, okay, that's over. And of course, his favorite, Officer Back Massage. There you go. Now, Early, tell us, are you ready? Already na siya. By the way, Sir Mark, it's your turn to warm up. Yes, warm up ka din. Not like that. Put your hands on the seat, just like Early. Lagi mo yung kamay mo dito, sir. Ayun. Now, Sir Mark, you have to follow my hand. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more, come on. Sir, dalawa pa. Ready? 1. Now, stretch your arms like this. Massage, massage, and that massage. Now, Sir Mark, tell us, are you ready? Yes. So, folks, Early is ready, our volunteer is ready, so let the games begin. Round 1. Sir Mark, we're starting out. Easy on you for the first round. Ay, ang galing talaga. Now turn! Wait, now, Sir Mark, don't forget to wiggle. Come on, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, round two. Galing, diba? Officer Ron, can you make it a bit harder? Yes, it's a bit harder. Sir Mark, look at this for the second round. Lie down and roll over. Sir Mark, what are you waiting for? The floor is wet and it's all yours. Come on, have a more. Sir, down, tapos mag-roll over ka naman. Sige, Sir Mark.
Mabaso-baso.
Roll over. Ay, Officer Ruth, magaling talaga yung bono niya.
Kakaiwas niyang mabasa. Kamuntik nag-swimming.
Alright, well, that means Mark is still okay to tell me. Do you want to see more? Parang hindi naman. Would you like to see more? Alright, so we got it for your turn and final round. Sir Mark, watch this carefully because this is the hardest part of the challenge. Sir, panoorin mo maigi ha. For the last round, ayun, napakadali naman. Malinis lang ako eh. Sir Mark, you had to finish the challenge. You volunteered for this, right? Kinakabahan ka ba? Kinakabahan daw siya. Have some encouragement for Mark. Come on. Okay, stand right here. Ayan po yan, Sir Mark. Okay, now folks, I want you to count with me in 1, 2, 3. Oh, Sir Mark, come on, slide. Yes, slide. Sir, I told you to slide and stop. Bakit ka nag-sweetie? So I think this is the end of our challenge. And in every competition, there's always a winner. Wow. Sir Mark, thank you so much and congratulations, Ernie. You defended your title. Great job. Sir Mark, don't be sad. You know what? Early here has something for you. Hindi ka pa din talo. Come on, give me your hand. Because you deserve a juicy fish. What are you waiting for? You can eat it now. Well, I'm just kidding. Just giving Dr. Early all you have is to drop the fish slowly. Because there's a hindi mo hawakan. Okay? Drop it slowly. Alright. Great job, Mr. Mark. So, sir, since you're all wet, you have a t-shirt, shorts, and slippers from the gift shop. Oh, manalo ka din, di ba? Alright, so Officer Ruth, thank you so much. Good night. Thank you so much.
Nabasa.
Better luck next time, sir. Okay, now let's move on.